What's something people don't know about acidity relief? Yoga can be your secret weapon. Let's dive in. First up, the cat-cow stretch. This gentle flow is perfect for massaging your digestive organs, easing that burning sensation. Inhale as you arch your back. Exhale as you round it. Next, we have seated forward bend. This pose helps in stretching the entire back, promoting better digestion and reducing bloating. Just reach for your toes and breathe deeply. Another great pose is the wind-relieving pose. The name says it all. Hug your knees to your chest and rock side to side. It's like a gentle massage for your intestines. Finally, try the child's pose. This calming position relaxes your body and mind, helping to reduce stress-induced acidity. Just sit back on your heels, stretch your arms forward, and breathe. Remember, consistency is key. Practice these poses daily and say goodbye to acidity troubles.